The form language of Wraith suits the name Wraith so well. There's this sort of sense of fleeting, this sort of fleeting spirit, slightly ethereal, slightly enigmatic. We wanted to capture, certainly in the design language, this sort of sense of effortless grace and elegance, but at the same time, something more contemporary, a little bit more daring in the roofline. This fastback silhouette really connects with the incisive, dynamic qualities. This is Rolls-Royce loosening the tie, so to speak. And the name Wraith brings a little bit of the noir to that recipe. The iron fist in a velvet glove. The power's there, and if you want it, it'll be pretty potent. Wraith is all about power. It's the fastest Rolls-Royce to date, and it all starts at the front. This fantastic offset vertical grille. There's this lovely sense of foreboding. As we move around to the side of the car, we have this lovely expressive line from the coach doors that's linked to the side window graphic that pulls the wheels together so nicely. As we come round to the rear, it really has a very nice stance and attitude, the nice wide shoulders that sit over the widened rear axle. The two-tone on Wraith gives it a more dynamic quality. There's a more arrow-like poignancy to the design expression with the two-tone. And it also gives the bespoke customer choice to really personalise their car to their tastes. I think my favourite quality of Wraith is this expressive gesture that comes from the window graphic and works through the coach door. And that works with this lovely sense of linear purpose from the shoulder line. It's almost like a bow and arrow. It's got this promise of potential, like the athlete in the blocks ready to spring. And the quality of line that comes through that incisive linear shoulder line is a little bit more decadent. It's a little bit more expressive. It's a little bit more glamorous in a way. In my view, the most successful designs always come down to 3 or 4 lines.